adorbslexil here, also known as Lexi. Today I'm starting up on a new challenge. I'm so excited. This is going to be egg to parrot. This is probably going to be a 7-day thing. I'm not sure. But I'm really excited, and if you can, like and subscribe because that will be so appreciated, and I'll be so happy. So yeah, if you do want to add me, my username is lexilulu1209. It's in the description too, and you can follow me, and my joins are on for followers. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Let's go ahead and go make the account. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Sorry if I took so long. I was doing my house. I just decorated it a little bit. This is how it looks. just did it a little bit with the 100 books that I had. Yes, I could have saved it, but I just wanted to. By the way, I'm obsessed with this outfit. I just like it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You are free to copy it if you want to. Go ahead. But now I'm gonna go get the egg, the starter egg, and then I'm gonna go get my trading license, and then then we'll probably go ahead and get some stuff. I'm gonna try and save up for the cauldron so I can get a cauldron. Let me just see how much the cauldron is. Sorry. I cannot see it. See? There's a lot of things that go with see. See. Okay, let me see if it is, what would it be at? Definitely not in there. Magic, right? No? Would it be in rare? Okay, so it is $6.50. Dang, what is this? Okay, well, anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and save up, but let's go ahead and go get the starter egg in our save up and our trade license, sorry. And we're gonna grind while we're at it. Let's go. So guys, I hatched my cat, my starter egg, and I got a cat. which is alright, but I wanted a dog, but it's alright. I'm gonna do my task board to get like a vehicle, and I'll get all my money back if I buy a bike, and that will help me get around places. But yeah, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and like grind and stuff. So I'm gonna crack egg, and then we're gonna save up for like a cauldron, and so we can get hyperspeed potions and stuff and trade those, and then we'll probably trade like golden apples for something, so for like anything. So yeah, so you're gonna enjoy another speed motion clip, and this video probably is gonna be like 20 minutes long, so enjoy this, and yeah, let's go. that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm so excited to do day 2. Literally, this has been a successful day. I didn't get too much, but I literally got a lot of pets and a lot of trades. Now, you saw me trade stuff, but in case you didn't, let me just show you. So, this is what I traded for my cat. I traded it for a blue and white tiger. By the way, shout out to this girl. She was so nice. So was this girl too. She was really nice too. Then I was like, I traded this for this one because Blue and White Tiger doesn't really get many offers. I don't know what this is, but it might get a lot of offers. I'm not sure. So this is my inventory. I opened an egg and I got a mouse, but it's hard to trade the mouse. But hopefully day 2 we can. Hopefully day 2 is successful, and I'm gonna probably do some grinding more off camera or in part 2. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for everybody who helped me. Thank you, and I hope I do get a parrot on the 7th day. If I don't, it's fine. But we might still keep the challenge going if I don't get the parrot. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys can copy my fits if you want without credits. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you guys so much. Bye.